Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of the event programming capability of the Scratch 2. So we have a little dump truck robot here, and by event programming Scratch have very strong feature where you can monitor, like for example, if a certain key on your keyboard have been pushed. For example, the code say if key 3 press, well, you say fast. I'm going to display a text balloon here, say fast, and speed is split to 1000. If key 1 is pressed, and then they say slow, a speed to 600. You also can monitor up arrow key. So if you figure out that you push up arrow, it would say forward, and then it set up the gear motor 1 and 2 a certain way so you can go forward and down and right and left. Okay, so all set up. So let's try it and see. So remember, we're using Scratch 2, so make sure that the Apple Scratch tool is connected to the right COM port and the right controller. Now you can put on the green key. You see it says stop. So now I can set up. Let's say I'm gonna go slow first, so I'm gonna push 1. You see it goes slow. Now I can push 3. It's a lot faster now. Okay, and then we can also, of course, move it around. So now let me move this out of the way so you can see the whole video. Viewport on the video. So it runs pretty fast now. Let me see. Hang on. Here we go. Now we can turn